Did you know that in Japan, people in their 90s still bow to serve tea without pain? While in much of the world backs stiffen over time, there movements remain light, graceful, and full of balance, as if age had no weight. The secret isn't in medicine or surgery, but in 4 movements so simple they seem almost invisible. They keep the spine alive, fluid, and awake, like a bridge between body and mind. Today, you'll learn the 4 Japanese movements that restore spinal mobility, relieve stiffness, and bring lightness back to the body in just 2 minutes a day. And stay until the end, because the last movement is the most powerful, and the favorite of Japanese physiotherapists for keeping the spine young, even at 90. But before we begin, I want to get to know you better. Write your name and where you're watching from in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because here you'll discover the true secrets of Japanese longevity, habits that keep body and mind in harmony for life. Movement 1. Partial forward bend, the awakening of the spine. Few people realize that back stiffness doesn't begin in the major joints. It begins in the forgotten small ones. In Japan, the first step to awaken the spine is this: slowly bend forward as in a bow, respecting your own body. Stand with your feet firm and parallel. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let your torso fold gently forward, allowing your arms to slide down like falling leaves. Don't force the stretch. Just let gravity guide the movement. Feel each vertebra release, one by one, until the weight of your head helps free tension from your back. Then inhale and slowly return to the starting position, unrolling the spine and opening the chest. Repeat the cycle 4 to 5 times. This simple but powerful movement improves circulation in the lower back, reduces stiffness, and wakes up the deep muscles of the spine. But if this exercise awakens the spine, the next movement makes the energy flow, restoring the sense of fluidity the body loses with time. Movement 2. Torso rotation, the eastern wind. Have you noticed how children naturally twist their bodies while playing? In Japan, there's a saying, "The body that turns is the body that lives." Gentle torso rotation is one of the oldest secrets to keeping the spine young, simple but extremely effective. Standing or sitting, keep your feet shoulder width apart and begin to slowly rotate your torso from side to side, letting your arms move naturally like leaves in the wind. Don't force it, just let your body move. Breathe deeply and feel the air flow in and out, matching the rhythm of the rotation. This gesture, known as body twists, activates the thoracic region of the spine, where many people accumulate tension and stiffness. It also stimulates spinal circulation and helps oxygenate the nervous system. In Japan, this practice is even used in schools and companies during small movement breaks called Karada no Reset, the reset of the body. After a few turns, you'll feel lighter with your chest more open, as if air were flowing better inside you. But there's something deeper still. Spinal flexibility doesn't come only from twisting. It also comes from the ability to expand. And that's what the third movement will teach. Movement 3, controlled extension, the arch of youth. When was the last time you looked slightly up at the sky, feeling your spine fully extend? Over time, many of us lose this simple gesture, and with it, our body's freedom. In Japan, gentle extension is one of the pillars of Taiso, the traditional mobility training. They call this movement back wave, the wave of the back. Stand up, place your hands on your lower back, and lean slightly backward, keeping your core engaged and your gaze upward. Feel your body open, but without pain, only as far as it feels comfortable. Hold for 3 seconds, then slowly return to the starting position. This movement strengthens the posterior muscles and improves spinal alignment, essential for maintaining good posture and preventing curvature. In Japan, they say, whoever can look at the sky at 90 still has the body of a young person. Repeat 5 to 8 times, breathing calmly. With each repetition, imagine energy rising from the base of the spine to the top of your head. But the youth of the spine isn't just in bending or extending, it's also in moving laterally with fluidity. And the final movement completes this harmony. Movement 4, lateral bend, the bridge of longevity. Imagine your spine as the trunk of a bamboo, strong yet flexible. When the wind blows, it bends, but never breaks. That flexibility is what keeps the body young and the mind balanced. Standing, with your hands at your sides, slowly slide one hand down toward your knee, leaning sideways. Then return and repeat on the other side. Breathe deeply and keep your gaze forward. This side bend, called side flow, stretches the sides of the spine and activates the intercostal muscles, even improving breathing. They say good posture begins with breathing, and breathing is born from the lateral movement of the spine. Do 5 repetitions on each side with lightness and presence. You'll feel your entire body awaken. From shoulders to hips, everything realigns, everything reorganizes. In just 2 minutes a day, these 4 Japanese movements can restore the flexibility time has taken from your spine. They reactivate deep muscles, restore circulation, and free the body from the silent stiffness that builds up over the years. What seems simple is, in fact, a philosophy of life. In Japan, it's believed that youth isn't about appearance, but about the ability to move with lightness. Those who keep their spine flexible also keep their mind open and their spirit calm. Start today. 2 minutes a day is enough to transform your relationship with your body. And remember, a body that moves with lightness is a body that stays young at any age. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these 4 movements will you start practicing today?